Hello guys, welcome back to the Mexican food channel. In today's video, we're making this ham and cabbage salad. It's ultra refreshing and it only takes a couple of minutes to prepare. It's the perfect summer salad. Let's start off with the corn. Here we're just removing the corn husk. For this recipe, I'm going to use 4 of these corns. When you're done removing all of the leaves, don't forget to take them to wash. Okay, I'm about to be done, so I'm gonna take them to wash. Now I'm going to cut them in half, that way they can fit into my pot and cook evenly. Make sure your water is boiling. You're going to carefully add them in and then cook them for about 15 minutes. While the corn is cooking, we're gonna start chopping our cabbage. I'm only going to use half of this cabbage because it's pretty big. Try to cut it as thinly as possible. This fresh salad makes the perfect quick lunch or even side dish. It's just what you need for a hot summer day when you want something light and healthy. Now that I'm all done, I'm gonna put it in here and take it to wash. Make sure you completely wash it and drain it. Our next ingredient is the cucumber. You're just gonna need 1 cucumber for this recipe. Just carefully peel all the green stuff off. Now for my other half. Peeling this cucumber is reminding me of a cucumber water. Maybe I should do a cucumber water next. What do you guys think? Alright, I'm gonna throw this out. Now let's cut our cucumber. I'm cutting this half into half, and then this other half into another half, and then that half into another half, and then chop it. Now add the cucumber to your cabbage. Before we continue, I just want to take a quick moment to remind you guys to like and subscribe to our channel. Now that the corn is done cooking, you're going to carefully remove the corn from the cob. Whoa, this is pretty hot. Look at all the steam. Once you're done with the corn, add it to your salad bowl. And for our next ingredient, the ham. Here I'm using 6 cut ham. I'm just going to chop it into pieces and add it to the salad bowl. Oh, I love how it looks. It looks so colorful. We're about to be done. Now you're gonna add in your lemons. Here I'm using 2. Now add in some pepper. Next, you're going to add in half a cup of mayonnaise. Now you're going to mix everything up. Give it a taste test. If you feel like you need some salt, go ahead and add some salt, but mine is perfect. If you don't know what to cook for the day, try this salad. Chances are you already have these ingredients in your fridge and it's simple to make, healthy and delicious. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys enjoy this recipe. Don't forget to like and subscribe and see you guys on the next one.